See, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business. Getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
What is it you want?
Hey, welcome to my first Decorate With Me video, where I will be decorating my first mini Christmas tree in my apartment for the holiday season. So right here I'm just showing you guys all of the ornaments that I bought from Target, along with the tree and the tree skirt. So this year I decided to get food ornaments. As you can see, a burger, hot dog, pizza, and french fries. Something cute and fun to put on the tree, since the tree will be next to the kitchen. So this is a 3-foot Christmas tree. I actually didn't mean to get it this big, but I think it still turned out pretty good. And yes, that is Cher in the back eating a pizza, which I think is actually kind of perfect. And that is it, guys. So I hope that you love it as much as I do. I actually had a lot of fun making this video along with putting up this tree. Like I said, this is my first time doing a Christmas tree in my apartment. I'm not really a Christmas person, but I thought, you know what, let's just try something different this year. And I'm glad that I did.